Jai Guruji, myself Ritu Jain, persona enhancer, Truzo consultant, and makeover artist. Each one of us is blessed with different features, body shapes, and color. But the idea to look good is universal.
Yes. Okay, so now I in fact ऋतु जी का पहला इंटरव्यू कर रहा हूँ मैं और शायद इनका जीवन का पहला इंटरव्यू है ये. तो आज हम लोग वी मेट टुडे एट द आर्ट कैरेट. दिस इज़ द मोदी गोल्ड शो लॉन्च जो आशा कमल मोदी जी का एक ब्रांड है आर्ट कैरेट which is more of imitation jewelry and traditional jewelry. And here Madhvi, I was talking to her, and Madhvi was telling me that my dress is a Wendy Mehra creation and my makeover has been done by Ritu Jain.
Yes.
And Ritu was around us, but in fact I was not aware. Although when she was also talking about Salma Sultan ji, I was saying please we'll have a break. एक pause करके मैं उनको बुलाता हूँ. She said कि she's left. So Ritu ji say I'm meeting her today. And as she's introduced herself, because I said, please introduce yourself, it makes me easier to talk to her.
Yes.
And एक तो आप when you talk about makeover,
Yes.
and then you talk about a spiritual connection,
Yes.
you know, so everything is like you said कि जो person है उसको हम लोग उसकी जो qualities हैं, you know, whether they are hidden, जैसे बोलते हैं कि somebody has inner beauty
Yeah.
and outside beauty is there, but आप जो हैं your work is to actually bring out a balance. आप उन
Yes.
दोनों के बीच में एक बैलेंस फाइन बैलेंस करके उसको उभार रही हैं. तो आप बोलेंगी.
Yeah, actually, according to me, what I am doing with the help of cosmetic, I can make person beautiful from outside. But to look for a complete look, अंदर से खुश होना, मन से खुश होना is equally important.
Right.
So that is why I try to solve the emotional blockages by, giving session to my clients and looking for their well-being. And once they start feeling good from inside, automatically they end up looking beautiful.
Okay, so when you're telling me like I'm talking to you for last 2-3 hours,
Yeah.
so आप emotional blockages जो word use कर रही हैं, अब emotional blockages layman जो आम आदमी हैं जो हमारा वीडियो अभी देख रहे हैं, so वो immediately grasp नहीं कर पाते हैं blockages.
Yeah.
Because blockages तो normally वो लेते हैं कि किसी को stent लगा है, वो कहते हैं क्या लग गया, क्या हो गया, तो बोलते हैं जी उनकी वो arteries में blockage हो गया था. So emotional blockage क्या होता है? This is a new word मैं पहली बार सुन रहा हूँ.
Right. Yeah, as you know, most of we Indian families, like we have joint families, most of us. So as a person, we have to, be with my son, my father, as a daughter,
Yes.
as a daughter-in-law.
Right.
So all taking care of all the relationships. So there are few, like all five fingers are never the same.
Yes, yes.
All like different people in one family, they have with
Different
mindsets and personalities.
Mindset, yes.
Yeah. तो थोड़ा बहुत हर किसी में like one or the other thing pops up, and कई बार होता है कि we don't come up with the solutions, and there are very very small things, the little alterations, and they can do wonders.
Right.
And for that we need to understand, we need to we are used to going one way, there has to be a U-turn sometimes in life.
Right.
To be happy. So that is what
Very
I'm
good.
taking care
बहुत
of.
अच्छी तरह I think you put it आपने बड़ी अच्छी तरह explain करा कि आप कोई रास्ते पे चल निकले हैं और अगर आपको खुशी नहीं मिल रही है तो ऐसा नहीं है कि आप उस रास्ते
पैटर्न पे जीते चले जाते हैं।
हाँ तो आप देयर इज ऑलवेज द फैमिली जिस पे आप वापस जा सकते हैं. यू टर्न का जो मैं सिंपली आई वांट टू टेल कि सपोज यू आर अलोन एंड आप सोच रहे हैं कि यू आर बिकम अ सक्सेसफुल पर्सन, फिर आपके जीवन में अकेलापन आ गया, फिर आप सोच रहे हैं कि फैमिली वाले बोलेंगे देखो जब अच्छा टाइम था और तुम अभी याद नहीं कर रहे और अब तुम हमारे पास आ रहे हो. ऐसा नहीं है, बिकॉज आप उनसे कनेक्ट करेंगे because emotional connect.
Yes.
So emotional blockages, emotional connect, emotional disconnect. There are so many words. I don't know. अभी हम लोग क्या था? We are not talking. Ritu ji is not a clinical psychologist. जब वो साइकियाट्री के ऊपर तो हम लोग नहीं बात कर रहे हैं. So we are talking about general life
general well-being.
balances.
Well-being.
Yes, and she said she also enhances a person's persona. तो वो उसके बारे में रितु जी.
या एनहांसिंग अ पर्सनस persona बिकॉज मैं ये सोचती हूँ कि जो चीज़ से भी हम ब्लेस्ड हैं, जो ये बायोलॉजिकल वी कैन नॉट चेंज, जिस तरह से हम पैदा हुए हैं जो भी है, बट हम सब में कुछ ना कुछ हिडन ऐसा होता है कि जिसे हम एनहांस करके वी कैन लुक लाइक स्मार्ट, पर्सनैलिटी वाइज हम बेटर फील कर सकते हैं. सो माई वर्क इज़ कि जो भी आप में वो छुपा हुआ है तो उसको एनहांस करना, दैट ट्रिगर थिंग आई जस्ट लुक for
So
that.
you will use the word trigger.
Yeah.
And आपने मुझे बोला कि you are also into the wellness.
Yes.
So wellness is something which is like with lifestyle.
Yeah.
So how do you want to
Lifestyle?
explain? Yes.
Yeah. Actually, wellness is because I will share two magic mantras. First is संकल्प से सृष्टि बनती है. लाइफ में अगर हम कुछ भी ठान लें तो वो कर सकते हैं हम. द विल पावर शुड बी स्ट्रांग. और दूसरा मैजिक मंत्र है, कोई भी व्यक्ति, कोई भी परिस्थिति मेरे मन की स्थिति को बदल नहीं सकती. एनी ह्यूमन बीइंग, any circumstances cannot change my state of mind.
Right.
If
Very
I
good.
decide
Very
to
nice.
stay happy,
Yes.
I can be. और जो अपना मन का रिमोट कंट्रोल है वो अपने हाथ में रखो.
ये जो चीज़ है, आई थिंक दिस इज आपको $1 मिलियन क्वेश्चन नहीं है ये, मतलब उसका आंसर दे रहे हैं कि जो संसार में आप लोगों को जो भी कोई प्रॉब्लम्स हैं, सो व्हाट यू हैव सेड इज राइट, दैट नोबडी कैन इन्फ्लुएंस योर माइंड until you, and you should also listen. It's not listening to the heart. जैसे बोलते हैं कि भी दिल से सोचो या दिमाग से सोचो, तो मतलब आपकी अंतर आत्मा and your mind, body, soul, उसका everything has to be in a balanced format. So you should work towards that. अब we'll just ask today about your you said you're here in this for 10 years.
Yes.
You started this. So you want to talk about your earlier, like you were a career woman or you were into a housewife and getting into this. कैसे आप इसमें, how did you get into this? Who was your mentor, influencer?
Actually, this beauty field, makeup is inborn, something inborn with me. I was just in 8th standard. My elder brother got married. He's 8 years elder to me. So without any, actually I belong to Ambala, a small town. Without any hairspray, any products, anything, I just watching movie. I used to create looks for my bhabhi and I used to achieve that.
Okay, very good. So you were, वो सब में I think hidden talent जो
Yeah.
होता है, I've seen in Indian girls, especially होता है.
Right.
And it's not that Ambala, I've also been, उसको वो बोलते हैं city of mixies.
Yeah.
And we have had our external affairs minister also. I think she was married in Ambala, Shushma Suraji.
Yes.
So, but I've seen more women from the towns like Ambala, and there's so many other places. I'm not naming them. So they have more time on their hands. And when she must have grown up, so there was less of internet.
Yeah.
So there was more of television, there was more of Indian cinema, movies. So obviously, जो हम लोग भी बचपन में when the wars were taking place, movies को देख के आ रहे हैं, तो we try to become somebody, we play a role. So it is like, you want to play a role, तो आपको क्योंकि makeup का है, so you want to, जैसे आपने बोला उनको आप makeover अब बना दे रही थी कोई भी चीज़. So, and what are your future plans? आप workshops के बारे में भी बता रही थी. So what workshops you hold? उसमें क्या क्या आप बता रही थी, कुछ statement उसके बारे में.
Actually, I have conducting workshops by the name of Angelic Persona. I have designed it especially for middle-aged females. Because during menopause there are so many changes, the mood swings, and even the physical changes also. So it is specially designed for them, that at that age also how to look beautiful.
Okay.
Yeah.
So these workshops
Especially-
you're holding it in for how many days? What is the duration?
No,
of
no,
that
2
workshop?
hours workshop.
It's a 2 hours?
Yeah,
Okay.
it's 2 hours
And how many
workshop.
women can attend at one time?
Yeah, actually due to COVID, there is
nowadays is not
restrictions.
there.
Otherwise,
Earlier-
50 to 100 people
Okay.
can. Yeah.
So that one session is enough?
No, actually, one session it's just the introduction for for your daily regime.
Okay.
So how you can design your day,
Right.
and the day makeup. And I have designed few chair exercises
All right.
while sitting on the chair,
Yes.
full body exercise
Okay.
with a soothing music
All right.
in a very luxurious way.
Okay.
Yeah,
So
this is
I
something
think
new.
for that we'll have to visit one of your workshops.
Yeah, sure,
And we'll have to see what it is because we cannot visualize right now.
Yeah, no. For that you have to get a feel of it.
Get a
like
feel of it
it's-
exactly
Yeah,
in that जो environment है.
right.
Because now with the music, healing, color healing, there's so many kinds of healing happening around us.
And otherwise also in that workshop, I talk about the dress styling according to the body shapes.
Okay.
Yeah, because at this age, so many of us,
Yes.
due to the
Yes.
physical
There
changes.
is a limitation.
Yes.
Then you tell them what to wear.
Yes. Yeah.
And what to wear in the day, what to wear in the evening.
Yeah. No. According to the body structures.
Body structures, yeah.
Dress styling according
Just
to the
styling.
body
Okay,
shapes.
That's again a very, I've not
Yes.
come across.
It's a new concept.
Fashion
It's-
people.
Yeah.
But this is something which is needed
Yeah.
because everybody has to look good and be at his best.
And in the end, I do one of the crowd, anyone from the audience, a live makeover.
Okay.
Yes.
Right. So how many makeovers you've been doing? कितने आपने अभी तक you've done in the last
I
10
have
years?
done like more than 50 brides.
Oh, 50 brides.
Yeah,
Very good.
and celebrity makeup also, and fashion weeks also, Calcutta Fashion Week with Manish Malhotra, and
All right.
yeah, yes.
So how was it that working with Manish Malhotra?
Yeah, it was wonderful working, and I was a team member in the hair team.
Right.
Yeah.
So you must also, since you have been doing these shows outside Delhi,
Yeah.
आप Calcutta गई, so have you also been a judge in some show? आपको कोई जैसे जज करने के लिए कोई मिला जहाँ पे आप you're judging the women on the ramp walk. Would you like to do that?
Yeah, definitely.
Because-
And my future aim is to participate in Milan.
Okay,
Yeah.
wonderful. Talent grooming is very
So,
essential.
yes.
Because when you're talking about makeovers and you're talking about personality grooming, so people now, these young girls, they have got a lot of,
Must have seen
avenues.
today Madhvi's makeover.
Yes, we saw Madhviji's makeover, which you've done.
Yes.
उसके बारे में you can
Yes.
say a few words.
Actually, Madhvi is a beautiful soul, I must say.
Yes.
She is a beautiful person by heart. But when I met Madhvi, I spoke to her, I introduced myself, and she said, "Oh, sorry, no, I'm a no makeup person."
Okay.
Yeah, she told me that. I was smiling. She said, "What happened?" I said, "No, because I can see something like, okay, someday I want to work on you."
Right.
She said, "No, maybe you're not, you haven't reached to the right person." I said, "No, let's see." So today is the day, and
Very good.
otherwise, I want you to say how she's looking.
No, Madhuri is looking perfect. And even in fact, when I came in the morning today, so I was seeing that she's not present. So I was wondering, but I didn't realize when I saw her entering. So she looked very graceful in a dress, and she's able to carry the style. Yes,
even
it's
the dress,
jewelry,
the
jewelry,
hairdo,
yes.
makeup.
Everything,
Yeah.
yeah. And even at the hairdo, like you said, I wanted to mention especially that she's able to carry it off very nicely and decently. She's got proper stylist, I would say. अगर मैं उस word एक word बोलूँ आपके लिए.
Persona enhancer.
Yes, persona enhancer, Ritu Jain. So thank you, friends. Sanjay Agarwal again. We were at Imperial, as I told you, about the Art Carrot Modi Gold show. So today this is just a one-day show, so we cannot invite you at this time. Maybe next time you can watch, and then we'll like to inform you. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank
Bye.
you so much.
I'll just stop it. 1 minute. Be seated.